Right, here's a tour of my 6-drawer U.S. General cart. So got the side tray, can holder. Put a little mat up on here, just keep from scratching it up. A little carbon fiber there, keep from banging that up. There's always stuff piled on there. Magnetic bolt holders, cord wrap for power, paper towel holder, little side tray. Alright, there's the lid, some magnetic strips up there. Got the Mayu pocket pry bars, snap on one, couple little screwdrivers, Nipex little wrench, heel bar, a Milwaukee light, another little tray. These are Capri Impact metric 3/8. There's the power there, goes out through the back there. Capri SAE 3/8. Snap-on metric. Capri wobbles 3/8. Snap-on Torx. Most of this here to there's Mac RBRT, same with there to there. The rest is Capri. We got some back in there, some E-Torx inverted, some wobbles, driveline socket, in plug. Got your tap sockets, locking X or locking extension, adapters. The reason I just put these on the extension, lock them down, works good. Probably got $40 in all three of them. So, used to have full built-in extensions. Probably is over 100 a set, but those work good. Some flat pry bars. Snap-on screwdrivers, snap-on blowgun, Harbor Freight tape measure. And over here we got the regular pry bars, Mayu. Here's a little trick. I don't know if people have done it, but I did this before I ever seen it. If you got these big holes, just put your washer in there. Your stuff don't fall through. Put that through, it's going to the bottom, so people might not like the looks of the washer, but I don't care. I got it work. Hose picks. These are that's kind of a, they come out of there, it works. Anyways, those are the snap-ons. Smooth ones, they work good. A little pry bar. These 2 beater screwdrivers. Braun light, charging cords. That's about the top. That's driveline socket. Gauge brake tool for the trucks, your air chambers. All right, next drawer. The snap-on ratchets, 1/2 inch, 3/8 Mac, another 3/8 snap-on, 3/8 short flex, 1/4 flex, another little stubby 1/4. This is the one I made out of another one I had. 3/8 quarter body, put the handle on I had laying around. This is a regular 1/4. That's what this other one was right there at one time till I changed it around. There's a little bit. Put a bit 1/4 inch hex bit in that if you want. Lisle scrapers, some Titan. Milwaukee hit neck light. They work good, better than the snap-on. I've had the snap-on. Seal puller. This is a Harbor Freight punch set. Works just fine. I got snap-on all over this place. If you think I'm epic box, but I use a lot of different things. And those work. This is just a cart. Anyways, Capri wobble extensions. They work just fine. There's not a bit of difference. Anybody that doesn't know, got snap-ons here every size. Same damn thing. These work just as good for 30 bucks. I probably got $300-400 bucks in them sets. I don't know. But anyways, another little bit set. Same as USAG. Same as the Facom. They make it. Same as the Harbor Freight. Anyways, I couldn't get a Harbor Freight. Breaker bars. SAE snap-on, 1 inch. Metric snap-on. They only go from, I don't know what it is. It looks like 8. Then they quit at 19. I had these others 2021 in Craftsman from years ago, so I just put them in there. Snap-on mid. Snap-on stubby. They quit at 3/4. 3/4. I had some from another set. Brings it on up into 1 inch. Doesn't matter. It's a V8. Guarantee you're not breaking a stubby. Some Vim half-cut bits. Set. I did wrap these drawer tops too. All of them. Okay, pliers. Snap-on snap ring pliers. Just a bunch of cutters, pliers. Atco oil filter. Wrench, snap-on crescents. If they're the same as this one will open wide. Snap-ons are made by Baco. I don't know, like that thing was probably 50-60 bucks on Snap-on. I got the thing off of Amazon for like 27 bucks. So. Some hose pliers. Electrical. Snap-on. Mini Snap-on PWZ. Snap-on compound pliers. They work good. Yeah, most of them. I got the Harbor Freight flush cuts. Icon. Snap-on 100-year. Handles are different. I forget the color. I didn't buy it because it was 100. I just needed it. So anyway, oh yeah, I got the Snap-on mini wire tool set. They're good. Just some other screwdrivers, some vessels, nut driver, ratcheting, magnets, the Harbor Freight picks for beating on things. We're a bit set. Got the Sun-X bits, but they work good. Never busted ones. Some more bits. That's another Mac bit set. They're fine. Another little vessel screwdriver. Right there. Snap-on tape measure. This here's a cotter pin puller. Use it a lot on those trucks when you're yanking them bigger cotter pins. Hammer them right out. Tie strap. Zip tie. Snap-on picks. Mini screwdrivers. Oh, I've had that thing for years. I think it came with that red box there when I bought it. Just odds and ends, calipers, heat gun, electrical tester, Snap-on, multimeter, right caliper hangers, Snap-on, soldering gun. Just a bunch of stuff. Spark plug gapper, valve core remover, AC, Milwaukee box cutter, knife. These are pretty good, these vampires. They'll cut the hell out of things. Odds and ends, some trim tools, paint pens, little scraper, brake fluid tester, another light, stream light, and that's pretty good, rechargeable. Pop that. It's a pretty bright light. Alright, last drawer, hammers. I really like the Anti-Vibe. You know, Mac Stanley's who makes them. They got them under Proto, and then Mac, you're paying a lot more money. You got the Snap-on dead blows. Just a little beater hammer, brake caliper, compressor. Snap-on screw gun. What is it? It's 861. SCT 861. They're all 861s. 3/8 ratchet. Where is it? CT 860. It's a CT. This is a CT 861. It's all in the same model. They work good. Mac air gun. Not a bad gun at all. Snap-on. Use that for cleaning discs and that. So that's about it on that. Nothing too much. Just the roll cart. So most, you know, Snap-on. I have Snap-on. I'm not trying to imitate nothing. I got Snap-ons there. I got Epics over there. Just the way I like the looks of it. This is another guy's cart. I didn't like that little U.S. General badge. It just goes with the way I got the box. Fits in, carbon fiber. To each his own. They have carbon fiber. They're dirty right now, but carbon fibered every one of them years ago. Same here. US General 72. I wanted the Snap-on badge. Carbon fibered all them. That stands out good with the blue, but anyways, does the job. Sits there full of tools, Snap-ons and everything else. Never failed. It's a good box. US General carts, they're great. Yeah, I got the full-blown Snap-ons. They work good, but if I had it over back when I bought these, they didn't have all the options they do today. But anyways, maybe I'll do a quick deal on this with that anyone wants to know. When I wanted to add a locker, they wanted $6,000 for the locker. I paid $900 for this Icon, and I'm just happy as hell. Yeah, doesn't match, I don't care. Trims are similar though. It fits on there, ain't going nowhere. Holds a lot of damn tools in there for $900, all those drawers. Side trays. Yeah, it'd do a little modifying. Right there, had to open that. This all screws on just like the one that would come with it, the Snap-on, through these holes here where your handle goes. Anybody that's interested, you got your upper two. They'll fit right on, look all right, hold a lot of stuff. Yeah, paint don't match, I don't care. I'm interested in putting tools in and working, making a living, but anyways. The only thing, use the existing hole back there. Made a little bracket there, the rest are bolted. Thing ain't going nowhere. So there you go. If you want to save some money and you want a locker. So this hole, yeah, these are bigger, they match, they're just as wide. So, yeah, that holds quite a bit of stuff too. But anyways, no, I didn't care to spend $6 grand anymore on that one, so that worked. Okay, thanks for watching.